Welcome back to Wild Kingdom, Animal Documentary. Did you know that we are standing in the midst of a magnificent wonder that not everyone has the chance to witness? The Amazon, often called the lungs of the planet, is a massive carbon sink, playing a crucial role in reducing CO2 levels in the atmosphere. The Los Pedro River, a tributary of the Amazon, has flowed for thousands of years, serving as the lifeblood of a mysterious world beneath the dense canopy. Every year, this forest absorbs about 2 billion tons of CO2, like a silent hero protecting the Earth. It's a vibrant ecosystem where nature is both a powerful force and a protector of all life forms. Join Wild Kingdom, Animal Documentary, as we step into the wild world of the Amazon and uncover the magical mysteries that nature is hiding. With its vast size and biodiversity, the Amazon is not only the lungs of the Earth, but also a battleground for survival, where the strongest animals reign supreme. From the graceful movements of the jaguar in the darkness to the powerful coils of the giant anaconda or the imposing gaze of the black caiman, everything paints a vivid picture of the fierce struggle for survival. With millions of years of evolution, the Amazon has undergone significant geological changes. The formation of the Andes Mountains redirected the Amazon River from west to east, flowing out into the Atlantic Ocean. This shift transformed a vast wetland into a nutrient-rich rainforest, creating ideal conditions for the development of one of the most biodiverse forests in the world. The Amazon rainforest, renowned for its pristine beauty and vastness, stretches across 9 South American countries: Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The heart of this forest lies in Brazil, which holds about 60% of its total area, functioning as the planet's giant lungs. The lush vegetation and mineral-rich soil have provided a solid foundation for a thriving ecosystem. The Amazon's diverse landscape combines lowland plains, river valleys, hills, and fast-flowing streams, creating a vibrant and beautiful natural tapestry. The plants here grow into dense green layers, with towering canopies where sunlight can barely penetrate. The Amazon River flows like a silver ribbon through the forest, carrying water and essential nutrients, nourishing life in every hidden corner. The Amazon rainforest is an ecological wonder, with one of the most complex and rich ecosystems on Earth, where life thrives in unique and exceptional ways. This is home to approximately 390 billion trees from 16,000 different species. What's astonishing is that only about 100 tree species make up 50% of the forest's tree population, reflecting the remarkable ecological balance of the region. Each year, researchers discover between 50 and 70 new plant species, unveiling secrets hidden deep within the rainforest. The Amazon contains 10% of all species on Earth, including over 2,200 fish species, 1,300 bird species, 427 mammal species, 430 amphibian species, and 380 reptile species. Beyond the towering trees and iconic animals, the Amazon is also a treasure trove of microorganisms, with millions of bacteria and fungi playing crucial roles in nutrient cycling and organic matter decomposition. Beneath the soil of the Amazon rainforest lies a rich, fertile layer full of humus, where decomposition happens rapidly due to the tropical humid climate. A 2023 study published in the Journal of Tropical Ecology revealed that the Amazon can store more than 100 billion tons of carbon in this humus layer, playing a key role in regulating the global climate. In 2024, scientists recorded over 2,000 fungal species in the region, forming a complex ecological network that connects trees and microorganisms, acting like the rainforest's underground nervous system. Can we truly understand the value and role of the Amazon, not only as a treasure trove of flora and fauna, but also as a complex ecosystem, where each species, from bacteria to fungi, plays a vital role in maintaining global climate stability and life on Earth? Share your thoughts in the comments below and join the audience of Wild Kingdom Animal Documentary as we dive deeper into the journey of the powerful and mysterious creatures of the Amazon. In this lush environment, apex predators reign supreme. The jaguar, scientifically known as Panthera onca, is the largest wild cat in the Americas and also the top predator in the Amazon rainforest's food chain. These solitary hunters primarily operate at night, using their acute hearing and sharp vision to locate prey even in the thickest darkness. Their spotted coats help them blend seamlessly into the environment, moving like unseen ghosts. What's unique about jaguars is their hunting style, which differs greatly from other species in the Panthera genus. While lions hunt in prides, tigers strike from the side, and leopards ambush with surprise, jaguars possess the strongest bite in the Panthera family, reaching up to 1,500 pounds per square inch. Jaguars end their hunts with a fatal bite to the skull of their prey, resulting in an instant kill. Thanks to this extraordinary hunting skill, Amazon jaguars enjoy a highly varied diet, ranging from deer and wild boar to large reptiles like the black caiman. Despite their unmatched strength, jaguars face threats from habitat loss and human conflict. Currently, it's estimated that only around 15,000 jaguars remain in the wild as of 2024. While they sit at the top of the food chain, just beneath the decaying leaves on the Amazon forest floor lies another world, filled with small yet powerful amphibians. Over 430 species of amphibians have evolved to survive with unique strategies, with the most notable being the poison dart frog, scientifically known as dendrobates. Despite their small size, poison dart frogs are full of strength, hunting insects like ants, termites, and spiders, taking shelter in the dry leaves and tree roots. Their vibrant colors, red, blue, yellow, and orange, serve as a strong warning to predators about the batrachotoxin within their bodies. This is one of the most potent natural toxins, capable of paralyzing the nervous system of prey and even causing death to larger animals. Smaller than the poison dart frogs are the countless insects and microorganisms working tirelessly beneath the soft soil of the Amazon rainforest. Among them, leaf-cutter ants stand out, like tireless workers toiling day and night. They cut leaves from surrounding trees and carry them back to their nests, where they cultivate a special fungus, which serves as food for the entire ant colony. Soldier ants protect the colony, while worker ants cut and transport leaves. The leafcutter ant nests underground can extend up to 26 feet, forming a large network of chambers filled with fungus, carefully protected from enemies and harsh conditions. Above the forest, the canopy rises from 100 to 164 feet, creating a distinct ecological world where sunlight filters through the towering trees to reach below. This high canopy regulates the climate and maintains the forest ecosystem by reducing water evaporation, retaining moisture, and shielding the creatures beneath from the harsh sunlight. The upper canopy stores up to 40% of the Amazon's carbon, playing a vital role in mitigating the effects of climate change. Over 20,000 plant species thrive in the Amazon, including broadleaf trees and epiphytes, with exceptional adaptations to capture every ray of sunlight. Around 50% of the species here can live their entire lives in the canopy, rarely touching the ground. Surprising, isn't it? Beneath this dense canopy lies a world of mystery, still unexplored, where thousands of unique plants and creatures thrive, many of which we have yet to discover. How many secrets of the Amazon remain hidden? Stay tuned and keep watching the video to explore more fascinating aspects of the Amazon. A unique resident of this canopy is the sloth, scientifically known as bradypus. This is the slowest animal on Earth, moving at a pace of just about 0.15 miles per hour. To survive, they rely on a low-nutrient but abundant diet found in the canopy, mainly leaves, flowers, and fruits from the cecropia tree. The sloth's digestive system has evolved to process cellulose in leaves, taking up to 30 days to fully digest a single meal. As a result, a sloth consumes only about 160 calories a day, much lower than the 2,000 to 3,000 calories needed by animals of similar size. Thus, from powerful predators like jaguars to tiny creatures like poison dart frogs and leafcutter ants, all coexist in the Amazon's complex and challenging ecosystem. The sloth has long, curved claws that allow it to cling securely to tree branches, and its thick fur is often covered in moss and green algae, providing perfect camouflage among the leaves. Surprisingly, the sloth's fur is also home to butterflies, tiny creatures that feed on the moss and fungi growing on the sloth's coat. This symbiotic relationship creates a tiny yet complex ecosystem right on the sloth's body, a fantastic example of interspecies connections in nature. When night falls or dawn breaks, eerie howls echo through the quiet expanse of the Amazon canopy. These are the sounds of the howler monkey, scientifically known as alouatta. Their howls can carry up to 3 miles, helping the members of the troop stay in contact and ensuring no one gets lost in the dense forest. With specially developed vocal cords, howler monkeys produce some of the loudest sounds among primates, serving as territorial warnings and signaling to other groups to stay away. This not only helps maintain order within the canopy, but also creates a natural alert system when predators are lurking nearby. Meanwhile, the spider monkey, DEADLIEST, is a master of survival among the towering branches of the Amazon. They rarely set foot on the ground, spending their entire lives suspended between the high canopies. The body of the spider monkey is fully adapted to life in the trees, with long arms and a prehensile tail that acts like a fifth limb, allowing them to move with agility through the branches like skilled acrobats. Their tail can reach up to 35 inches long and is strong enough to grip tightly onto tree branches, even supporting their entire body weight as they hang. Their movement speed of up to 15 miles per hour allows them to easily evade predators and search for abundant food sources. Another prominent symbol of the Amazon rainforest is the toucan, belonging to the Rhamphasidae family. This bird is easily recognizable by its large, vibrant beak, measuring between 6 to 7.5 inches long, which accounts for about 1/3 of its body length. Their beak is not only a tool for feeding, but also a biological marvel, made of keratin with internal air chambers, making it as light as a feather and allowing the toucan to glide effortlessly through the dense canopy. Even more miraculous, the toucan's beak functions as a natural radiator, helping to regulate body temperature in the hot, humid tropical environment. Toucan birds live in small flocks, with strong legs and sharp claws that help them firmly grip tree branches and move agilely through the foliage. When feeding on fruits, they digest and disperse seeds through their droppings, playing a crucial role in maintaining plant diversity and supporting the forest's regeneration process. Along with the tall canopy of the forest, the great horned owl, Bubo virginianus, also quietly nests in the high trees, sometimes reusing the nests of other birds or building new ones. This is one of the largest owl species, with a body length ranging from 18 to 25 inches and a wingspan of 3.3 to 5 feet. The great horned owl plays an essential role in the Amazon rainforest's canopy ecosystem. As night falls and most other animals are resting, the great horned owl rises, hunting in the dense darkness. Their large eyes, which make up nearly 5% of their body weight, are 100 times more sensitive to low light than human eyes, allowing them to detect prey even in near total darkness. The great horned owl's hearing is also remarkable, with asymmetrical ears that enable them to locate sounds in a three-dimensional way. Their silent flight ability is one of the key factors that make the great horned owl such an effective predator. The unique structure of their wing feathers, with serrated edges and soft feathers beneath, helps diffuse air and minimize noise while they fly. When catching prey, the great horned owl uses its incredibly strong talons, with gripping force up to 300 pounds per square inch, strong enough to pierce through the bones of animals like rodents, snakes, and even rabbits and large birds. Are you impressed by the diversity and incredible adaptability of the animals in the Amazon canopy? Each species possesses unique traits that allow them to survive and thrive in the harsh environment of the dense rainforest, from the agile spider monkeys to the vibrant toucans and powerful owls. Share your thoughts in the comments below so that the viewers of Wild Kingdom Animal Documentary can know too. Beneath the towering canopy of the Amazon rainforest, at a height of about 65 to 100 feet, lies a transitional zone bathed in dappled sunlight, where rays filter through the tree layers to create a natural sanctuary. This area is densely packed with plant species, accounting for up to 60% of the total plant species in the Amazon rainforest. This region is also home to approximately 75% of the forest's mammal species, acting as a protective buffer for the layers below, shielding them from strong winds and heavy rains, while providing shade and maintaining humidity throughout the forest. Meanwhile, insects play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance, with an estimated 2.5 million species residing in the Amazon rainforest. These tiny creatures not only participate in pollination and organic matter decomposition, but also help maintain the balance of the ecosystem. Many insect species in the canopy have evolved to become masters of camouflage, blending perfectly with their surroundings. A prime example of natural camouflage is the leaf katydid, scientifically known as Tetagoniidae. Its body is designed to mimic a leaf perfectly, from the veins to the color and even the marks of insect bites. This masterful camouflage helps them hide effectively in the dense rainforest environment, keeping them safe from predators. In this complex ecosystem, thousands of species of spiders, scorpions, ticks, and mites thrive, with spiders dominating at about 80% of the total arachnid species recorded in the rainforest canopy, where light rarely filters through the dense foliage. Many spider species in the canopy have developed sophisticated camouflage skills. Crab spiders, Thomisidae, for example, are masters of changing their body color to blend in with their surroundings, from the green of leaves to the brown of tree bark. This ability not only helps them avoid predators, but also serves as an effective hunting strategy, allowing them to ambush prey unexpectedly. Meanwhile, orb-weaving spiders construct large, circular webs with silk stronger than steel and 5 times its weight, allowing them to easily trap large insects like butterflies and bees. Unlike web-building spiders, the Goliath tarantula is an ambush predator, hiding beneath the ground. They detect the slightest movements around them, thanks to the sensitive hairs on their legs. When the opportunity arises, they spring into action with incredible speed, injecting venom through fangs nearly 1 inch long, and then using digestive enzymes to liquefy their prey's body, making consumption easier. On the smaller branches, hummingbirds use spider silk and small plant materials to build their nests. These nests are tiny, just big enough to hold eggs and chicks, providing protection for the young birds from predators. The survival rate of the chicks heavily depends on the mother's ability to build the nest in safe, concealed locations. Hummingbirds are the primary pollinators in the Amazon rainforest canopy, responsible for about 25% of the pollination here. With their long, slender tongues, they can extract nectar from flowers that other birds cannot reach. Hummingbirds have the highest metabolic rate among birds, with their heart rate reaching up to 1,200 beats per minute while flying, allowing them to quickly move from flower to flower in search of food. When the dry season starts from July to December, the scarlet macaw enters its nesting season. They are very meticulous about choosing their nesting sites, with about 80% of scarlet macaws in the Amazon nesting at heights of 65 to 100 feet above the ground, in the dense canopy where they can easily monitor and protect their nests from potential threats. Scarlet macaws particularly favor trees like Ceiba pentandra, with thick trunks and sturdy roots that help reduce the risk from predators such as snakes and monkeys. During the nesting season, they spend up to 70% of their day foraging for food, ensuring they provide enough nutrition for the chicks to grow strong and healthy. Their loud calls resonate throughout the forest, and their vibrant plumage acts as an effective warning signal, deterring potential threats. The bright colors not only help attract mates, but also serve as a protective tool for their nests. The Amazon is not just a vast rainforest, but it also hides a mysterious world beneath the ground. Enigmatic caves formed by millions of years of limestone and sandstone erosion. Have you ever wondered what surprises the rich and mysterious ecosystems of the Amazon might have in store for us? Share your thoughts in the comments below and join the Wild Kingdom animal documentary community to discuss and explore more about biology. In this low-light environment, many species rely on limited energy sources, primarily from organic material brought in from the outside or from the process of chemosynthesis by bacteria. Chemosynthetic bacteria use chemical compounds instead of sunlight to generate energy, forming the foundation of the food chain in many cave ecosystems. A characteristic species in the caves of the Amazon rainforest is the vampire bat, scientifically known as Desmodus rotundus. This bat species often lives in high-density colonies, sometimes reaching up to 8 individuals per square meter in suitable caves. The dark, damp environment and stable conditions of the cave provide an ideal shelter, allowing vampire bats to avoid predators and conserve energy throughout the day before embarking on their nighttime hunts. Vampire bats are the only bat species in the world that specialize in blood feeding, hematophagy, requiring about 20 milliliters of blood every night to survive. They use their sharp teeth to make a small incision on their prey's skin, then lick the blood with their tongues. This process is carried out quietly thanks to the enzyme draculin in their saliva, which acts as an anticoagulant and painkiller, allowing the prey not to immediately detect the wound and ensuring the blood flows continuously. The Amazon River, stretching about 4,000 miles, is the longest river by water volume, flowing through 7 South American countries before emptying into the Atlantic Ocean. The Amazon River ecosystem is divided into 2 main types of water, white water and black water. The whitewater region, flowing from the Andes, carries nutrient-rich sediments, creating an ideal environment for herbivorous fish and invertebrates. In contrast, the black water region is more acidic, with fewer sediments and rich in tannins from surrounding plants, creating a harsh yet suitable environment for fish that have evolved to adapt to these conditions. Along the peaceful Amazon River, sandbars become gathering spots for many species of turtles. They bask in the sun to warm their bodies and eliminate parasites. Something special happens on the turtle shells, where swarms of butterflies gather to collect the turtle's tears. Butterflies, particularly males, seek the turtle's tears as a source of salt and minerals, which are scarce in their diet. The Amazon River is home to over 2,200 species of fish, accounting for about 15% of all freshwater fish species in the world. This abundance provides a rich food source for many animals, including the snakebird, also known as the anhinga. Unlike many other birds, the anhinga's feathers are not waterproof, allowing them to dive as deep as 20 feet without resurfacing. When they spot prey, typically fish or small amphibians, the anhinga uses its long, flexible neck to deliver a lightning-fast strike, stabbing the prey with its sharp beak. This strategy gives them a success rate of up to 60% when hunting in the wild. The Amazon River is not only home to bizarre fish and birds, but also the territory of renowned predators in the freshwater ecosystem. The diversity and complexity of species here are a testament to the power of adaptation and evolution in the harsh conditions of nature. The red piranha is a notable name in the Amazon ecosystem. This infamous fish, scientifically known as Pygocentris natureri, is famous for its sharp serrated teeth arranged in rows, each tooth measuring about 0.4 to 0.5 centimeters long. Red piranhas usually hunt in schools of 20 to 30 individuals, attacking in coordinated groups. When attacking, they start with small bites, causing the prey to lose blood and weaken gradually. A single initial bite can cause the prey to lose up to 35% of its body weight within a few minutes. With this intense speed, red piranhas become one of the most efficient predators in the Amazon, with a success rate of up to 70%. During the dry season, when the river waters recede, leaving behind shallow pools, the giant piranha, also known as Arapaima gigas, begins its reproductive journey. The piranha is the largest freshwater fish in the world, reaching lengths of up to 10 feet and weighing over 500 pounds, making it a formidable predator in the Amazon River ecosystem. In the oxygen-poor waters of the Amazon, the piranha has developed a supplementary respiratory organ that allows it to extract oxygen directly from the air. Every 15 to 20 minutes, the piranha must surface to breathe, an essential survival strategy in the harsh conditions of the Amazon. However, the real nightmare for many creatures in the Amazon River is the black caiman, scientifically known as Melanosuchus niger. This is the largest crocodilian in South America, reaching lengths of up to 20 feet and weighing as much as 100 pounds. With a lifespan of up to 70 years, the black caiman has extraordinary endurance and can survive for weeks, even months, without food due to its ability to store energy in the form of fat. When conditions become harsh, they slow down their metabolism to conserve energy, an optimal survival strategy in the ever-changing environment of the Amazon. The black caiman's jet black skin not only helps it blend perfectly into the dark waters, but also absorbs heat from the sun during the day, allowing it to maintain body temperature for nighttime hunting activity. The black caiman's eyes are equipped with a tapetum lucidum layer, which reflects light and enables it to see clearly in the dark and detect prey from afar. With a bite force of up to 3,700 pounds per square inch, the black caiman can easily overpower large prey such as fish, mammals, birds, and even other crocodilians. The Amazon River is not only the territory of the black caiman, but also the stage for another giant predator, the green anaconda, Eunectes murinus. With its superior strength and unique hunting skills, the green anaconda is one of the largest snakes in the world, and its presence adds to the diversity and ferocity of the Amazon ecosystem. The green anaconda, Eunectes murinus, is the largest snake in the world, capable of growing up to 30 feet long and weighing over 550 pounds. With its expert ambush tactics, the green anaconda often lies submerged in water, leaving only its eyes and nostrils above the surface to watch for prey. Its ability to hold its breath for extended periods allows it to dive deep and approach prey silently. When prey such as fish, waterfowl, small mammals, or even small caimans approaches, the green anaconda strikes with incredible speed, coiling its powerful body around the prey. With a squeezing force of up to 90 pounds per square inch, it is capable of crushing the bones of large prey, making it one of the most formidable predators in the Amazon. However, in the world of the Amazon, no one can overlook the dominance of the jaguar, the true king of the forest. The jaguar's ability to hunt in the water demonstrates its perfect adaptation to the river and swamp environments, where food is abundant and competition is minimal. Unlike many big cats that only swim when necessary, jaguars love the water and are excellent swimmers. According to a 2023 study published in the Journal of Wildlife Management, around 15 to 20% of the jaguar's diet in the Amazon includes aquatic species like fish, turtles, and even small caimans. Their underwater hunts have a success rate as high as 65%, even higher than hunting on land. From December to May, the Amazon experiences the rainy season, causing the water levels of the Amazon River and its tributaries to rise, sometimes by 12 to 16 feet, flooding millions of hectares of forest and creating an expansive network of wetlands. These temporary flooded forests, known as varzea, become a sanctuary for many species, including fish, mammals, and birds. The rainy season brings significant ecological changes, stimulating the breeding of many fish species and providing ideal conditions for the growth of aquatic plants. About 60% of the fish species in the Amazon breed in flooded forests during the rainy season, making this ecosystem crucial to their life cycle. Many animals must find ways to adapt in order to survive in this rapidly changing environment. When the water rises and floods the leafcutter ants' nests, they have to build higher fungal chambers and create natural drainage systems to keep the nests dry. Worker ants even move the fungus to higher chambers when needed, ensuring the colony's survival during the harsh, rainy months. Instead of being a threat, the rainy season becomes a time when leafcutter ants demonstrate their resilience and exceptional survival skills. While the flooded forests make movement difficult, clay cliffs become crowded gathering spots for flocks of scarlet macaws. These clay cliffs are rich in important minerals, helping scarlet macaws neutralize toxins from unripe seeds and fruits, particularly alkaloid toxins. The rainy season is also a crucial time in the reproductive cycle of scarlet macaws. As water levels rise, their habitat is completely transformed, making hunting more difficult as fish and other aquatic species disperse and hide in newly flooded areas. Food becomes scarce, while threats from predators such as black caimans and green anacondas increase, posing dangers to the entire group. Despite this, giant river otters exhibit remarkable adaptability. They change their hunting tactics, using the collective strength of their group, from 10 to 20 individuals, to herd fish into shallower waters that are easier to access. Their strong swimming abilities and loud calls help maintain group cohesion, creating a powerful defense system against environmental threats. When the floodwaters transform the landscape into a network of rivers and streams, food becomes abundant, but the nutrients are diluted. This is when the peccary, a native South American wild pig, gathers at mineral-rich clay cliffs to supplement their sodium and calcium intake, essential nutrients that are rare in their everyday diet. However, these clay cliffs also become a dangerous spot, as up to 30% of the successful ambushes by jaguars on peccary groups occur here during the rainy season. To survive, peccaries have developed strong social systems and defensive behaviors. They live in large herds, sometimes numbering in the hundreds, and often assign members as sentinels to protect the group, while others focus on supplementing their mineral intake. Group cohesion is a key factor that helps them navigate the dangers of the rainy season and protect the herd from predators. However, the struggle for survival in the Amazon rainforest is not only threatened by nature, but also by humans. Over millions of years, the Amazon has formed through geological activity, creating a diverse and vibrant world. But in just a few decades, humans have rapidly inflicted serious harm to its existence. According to the World Meteorological Organization, WMO, in 2023, the Amazon has lost more than 20% of its original area in just the past 50 years. This loss is not just a statistic, but a severe decline in biodiversity and the disappearance of species that have existed for millions of years. Without intervention, it is predicted that by 2050, 40% of the Amazon rainforest could be gone, leading to the collapse of one of the planet's most critical ecosystems. Climate change is exacerbating the situation as temperatures rise and rainfall decreases, turning the Amazon rainforest from a symbol of abundant life into a region devastated by wildfires. The consequences will be catastrophic, not just for the local ecosystem, but for the global environment. According to WWF and a 2024 study published in Nature, about 400 to 500 new species are discovered in the Amazon each year. But at the same time, hundreds of species may face extinction before humans even recognize their existence. The Earth's lungs are rapidly depleting under the uncontrolled impact of humanity. The vast forests and rivers of the Amazon are sending a desperate cry for help, demanding protection from the ongoing disaster. Now more than ever, protecting the Amazon rainforest means protecting our own future. At the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a silent but fierce battle is taking place. Conservation efforts acting like a small flame in the dark, striving to keep the Earth's lungs from withering. Each of us can contribute to protecting the Amazon, whether by supporting conservation projects, changing consumption habits to reduce pressure on the rainforest, or speaking out on international platforms for the environment. Like the links in a natural food chain, each small yet meaningful action creates a ripple effect, helping sustain life on this planet. The Amazon doesn't just need us, but we need the Amazon, an inseparable connection in the fight to protect the planet's future. Have you ever experienced the majestic beauty of the Amazon rainforest? If so, share your unforgettable memories in the comments below. Your experiences could be a powerful source of inspiration, conveying the message of protecting this natural treasure to nature lovers on the Wild Kingdom Animal Documentary Channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to continue joining us on these magical adventures where untold stories of nature are waiting for you.